Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you 3 steps that allow me to ensure a healthy digital life. These practices make my life better every day and maybe can make your life better too. The first rule I follow is to have a distraction-free setup on my devices. This involves 3 aspects: reducing notifications, visual decluttering, and having separate environments. Notifications. Notifications can be overwhelming as there are too many apps vying for our attention. The solution is straightforward. Turn off almost all notifications. I only keep notifications from my productivity apps, calendar and to-do app, messengers, and essential services like taxi and banking. I gradually reduced the number of notifications, and I can confidently say that the most significant improvement was disabling notifications from social media apps when I used them. The second aspect of a distraction-free setup is the absence of visual noise. I've been using a minimalist interface on my laptop for over 10 years and I applied the same principle to my other devices. On my Android phone, I used a sentient launcher that removed all distractions by getting rid of icons and widgets. Instead, it provided a search function to open apps by typing their names. This changed the way I used my phone and helped me avoid accidentally opening any apps. Unfortunately, I no longer have access to this minimalistic approach for organizing my home screen since switching to iOS. While I can remove apps from the home screen on iPhone and iPad, the complete app library cannot be hidden and there are still tempting shortcuts when I use the search function. Nevertheless, my current setup is usable and helps me to avoid distractions to a large extent. The third aspect of a distraction-free setup is having separate environments. This means setting up separate accounts for each area of your life. For example, on my laptop I have 2 users, one for work and one for personal use. In Telegram, I have 3 accounts, one for chatting with family and friends, one for work-related messages, and another for entertainment such as reading miscellaneous channels. This approach has really helped me to stay focused on what's important at any given moment. I'm less likely to get sidetracked thinking about work during my free time and vice versa. By keeping my different contacts separate, I can stay more present and focused on the task at hand. Let's talk about the second step, getting rid of social media. By 2023, I had managed to break free from them. Here's why I think it's better for me personally. The first, I don't like the content I see on social media. People tend to show off things they think others will like, rather than expressing their true thoughts, which are more interesting to me. The second, when I am on social media, I start to think about whether to post about things that happen to me. This makes me less present in the moment. Without social media, I can live a more meaningful life. The third, social media makes me check my phone too often, which distracts me from important things. Although I still have social media accounts, but I only check them once every few months. Lastly, it's important to ensure your time is spent on activities that have value and purpose. It's not enough to remove distractions and stay off social media. It's necessary to use newfound time and energy to do things that truly matter. This could mean engaging in sports, reading, or even writing a book, creating a new product, and more. A bad habit could also be turned into a positive one, such as replacing watching short clips with educational content or foreign language videos to improve proficiency. Therefore, decluttering my devices, quitting social media, and engaging in meaningful activities were all crucial elements in enhancing both my digital life and overall well-being. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.